Hey, what's up, my beautiful people? This is AV, and I decided to do a weekly vlog a couple of months ago and just never really followed up, which turned into a monthly check in. And so I just kind of wanted to go over a few of the things that I've been up to. I had to move my storage unit, and this was the creepiest storage unit move I've ever experienced. I've also been working on a new mini zine or mini comic about sleep apnea, as well as getting into the gym more regularly. And I have a coloring book that I've been testing out, coloring my own designs, which has been really, really fun. It has afforded me time to really relax and meditate at night, as I have a couple of deadlines. Like I said, I'm working on a new zine, and I'm not gonna lie, I've been working a lot on self-care and recovering from a myriad of illnesses. And so I got my ears pierced after 15 years, which was super fun. And I've also been invited to lead a workshop at a local library. So I'll be doing a workshop, zine making workshop series, which I'm excited to really get into, meet the community, and work with so many amazing people. And that also means I'll be doing a poster design for the local library, which I'm not going to lie, that has a little bit of stress attached to it, but I'm super excited to share my art. The Berkeley Public Library has been doing amazing things, and the community has really shown up. So again, one of the main focus lately for me has just been spending time meditating, and making art really is a big part of that. And I promised myself to get out more, enjoy the sunshine, take time to just do things that I love and that brings me joy, and not focus so much on the rat race or being competitive or just any capitalistic endeavors. Just balance out things, as well as eating more healthy. I love to cook, I love to read, and I love to write. All these things that are just for fun. And so moving forward, I think I'll be sharing more content around that. I appreciate you guys just following along on my journey. So also shout out and thank you to all my new subscribers. You guys are amazing. I appreciate all the likes and all the shares. Again, doing things like bead making and just spending time alone or spending time with friends and loved one has been so important. And this year, I really want to get back into doing at least one show a month. So I've been inviting friends to help table and share space with friends. Shout out to the Oakland Spiders. That's always fun. And I recently did the Peninsula Library Comics Arts Fest in South San Francisco, which was amazing. I had a great time, and it's just a beautiful space. The libraries in the Peninsula are chef's kiss. All of them are state of the art and pretty much really new, and their community shows up and supports artists and comic book makings. And so I was super grateful to have a table at the Comics Arts Fest. And I was happily surprised that so many East Bay artists were at this fest, and I met so many amazing people and ran into old friends as well. And it's always a good time to share my art in person, just to be able to speak to people. And so that next day, I also did the Gilman District Street Fair in Berkeley, which is an amazing time. There's lots of food and music, and since it's on the street, it's really lively. I shared my space with my friend Zach. We always have a good time together and crack jokes and laugh until we cry. And that day was no different. The crowd was awesome as well. And it's funny, for a split second there, I thought it might rain, but the weather turned out to be a little bit warmer than I thought, even though I needed a hat and scarf. Again, I ran into old friends and made new friends, and it's always fun just being outside. And if you made it this far, you're a real one. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and share. Make sure to subscribe. You are amazing. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.